Hey there, welcome back to Gardening with Sylvia and Friends. And today I'm so excited because we are potting up fall. What are some 1, 2, 3 tips to keep in mind when you are potting up something for your fall porch?
Always plant in odd numbers. And if we're just talking, you want to have 3 things. A thriller, which is something that's going to be higher up in the pot. And then you want to have a filler, something that takes up space in the pot. And then you want to have a spiller, which will overspill from the container. So then you have all different dimensions in one pot.
So a filler, a thriller, and a spiller.
That's right.
That's Leah. Don't you love that smile? It's like a ray of sunshine and those dimples. Leah is fantastic at helping people select the perfect blooms for planters and gardens. And today she is showing us how to plant up fall pots for our porch or patio. Now, if you already have a pot, that's perfect. If you decide to shop for a new pot, that's always so much fun. A couple of things to consider: the size. Also, make sure that you have really good drainage in that pot. That's important because it helps to prevent root rot. The material of the pot matters. So for example, if you choose a terracotta or a clay pot, those are really good because they allow your plants to breathe, to get the proper circulation. Most of the pots in my garden, for example, are terracotta. Plastic is good for those lightweight plants. The shape matters. Tall pots are great for deep roots, and those shallow pots are really good for spreading roots. You may also want to consider the weight. Heavier pots, as you know, provide stability, and those lighter pots are really great if you need the convenience of mobility with your pots. Did you also know that the color you choose can affect the temperature of the soil? For example, lighter colors help the soil stay cooler, and darker colors keeps the soil warm. And if you like pots with themes, check this out.
Cowboy hat?
A cowboy hat planter.
Yes. Isn't it adorable?
And the boots?
And boots.
Oh my gosh.
A cow.
Wow, planters sure have changed, haven't they?
Okay, I'm going to show you which pot we selected in a moment, but first, let's pick out our thriller, our filler, and our spiller plants. The trick is when you're planting containers, it doesn't have to be spring, fall, evergreen. It can be whatever you want it to be, as long as it all requires the same amount of sunlight.
Okay.
And water.
Okay.
So I think for a filler, this pink mully grass would be absolutely beautiful. If you see the bloom on it, it's pink. I know you can't really tell, but here's a tag.
Oh, here's a better picture of it.
Yes.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
And
what is that called?
Pink mully grass.
Oh, here we go.
Yes.
Pink mully grass. Perfect.
We're going to plant this container like it's going to sit on a wall.
Okay. Okay.
So we'll put our thriller to the back.
Uh-huh.
And then we'll put our fillers here. And then we'll place our spillers kind of around.
Now, what is that one?
This is called a flax lily.
A flax lily.
Yes, it is actually, a lot of people put this in their landscapes. Mm-hmm. I love to plant containers with it because I love anything variegated. Mm-hmm. And it's a great filler. Beautiful. So we can stick this in here.
Oh. Oh, that is pretty.
I think the more dimension in a container is beautiful.
The more interest.
It's more interesting. Mm-hmm. It is pleasing to the eye. Mm-hmm. Another thing is textures. When you add different textures in here, so you got the whimsical grass, you got the variegation here, and the smooth long leaves. Then you have some color up here in height and some brighter green. So I like different textures. Here's an asparagus fern. And again, all of this can take the same light. Everybody can take full sunlight right here. These don't have any color yet, but I would like to add some mums.
I was thinking mums might be pretty too.
So we've pink mullygrass. We have a pinkish purple angelonia. So what do you think? Should we put an orange mum?
Orange would be pretty, or yellow.
I agree. I think orange would be beautiful. So let's find us a pretty orange. We'll take that. And also popular in the fall, ornamental peppers.
Oh, yeah.
They're beautiful.
I see that.
Yes, very beautiful.
Oh.
See the different colors in the
That's a pepper too.
Yes. This is my
Oh, yeah. That's beautiful.
Okay, yes. Come see this one from the front.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Very beautiful. So I'm going to leave out the asparagus fern. I'm going to pop this orange mum in here. When it blooms out, it'll be very pretty. Typically when buying mums, people like to get them when they're not in bloom because they last longer.
Well, Leah, this is beautiful.
Well, thank you. We're going to add us a spiller right here.
Okay.
And I'm just going to go ahead and do the sedum because we're adding a different texture.
Yes.
And
That's
the
a
chartreuse
sedum.
color. This
Yeah.
is a lemon ball sedum.
That's a pop.
It is
A very
pop,
nice pop.
and it adds that pretty.
Don't take it to Sylvia. How about a water? Right here, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Leah,
Thank you.
water.
Thank you, Mr. Mike.
I love Mr. Mike, keeping us hydrated.
So once we add that
Oh,
in
that's
there,
gorgeous. Yeah. Okay, so let's get it potted up.
Yep, let's do it. It's almost
Notice that we're using potting mix instead of garden soil for your containers. Potting mix is packed with what your plants need to thrive, and that includes peat moss, perlite, vermiculite. This helps with aeration, so basically water, moisture, drainage. It helps with oxygen. Basically, it helps to prevent the conditions which could lead to root rot. We don't want that, right? It also includes lots of really good organic nutrients and fertilizers to promote healthy growth for your container plants. We've already put in our thriller, that pink mullygrass in the back, and now we're adding in the fillers.
that right there.
And then what next?
We're going to take this croton. You got the bottom?
Yep. And lastly, we are adding in our spiller, the lemon balled sedum.
Ta-da! Ta-da! She is beautiful.
Yes. Very lovely. Oh, wow, that is lovely.
Good morning.
I feel like a proud mama.
You should be.
A proud plant mama.
That's right.
Also, check the labels that come with your plant. It gives you specific instructions for watering, weather conditions, fertilizer, lighting, everything you need to keep your plants healthy, bountiful, and beautiful. Okay, so before you head out to your favorite nursery, I asked Leah to give us some recommendations of the best fall plants to grow. Ornamental peppers, ornamental kale and cabbage, pansies, violas, snapdragons, mums, crotons, and dianthus. I saved this tour for last. It is an amazing plant nursery she shed. I think you're gonna love it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you so much. Until next time, happy gardening.